So the first thing that we want to start with is 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm going to attempt to make this recipe with the 2-year-old. We're going to place 1/3 of a cup of the granulated sugar in a bowl. And then we are going to finely grate this lemon, which I already washed. And I think this is probably what makes it so incredibly delicious. And when you're grating the lemon, you don't want any of the white. You want only that bright yellow rind, because that white pith is bitter. Okay, now mix the sugar and go like this with your fingers. It says mix the lemon zest and the sugar all together. I'm going to lose half the sugar to your hands. Maybe this is a bad idea. Clap hands, till the Dutch baby is done. Take the green parts off. Take the green stem off. And now I'm just going to juice the lemon.
I want to squeeze it.
Ooh. Okay, you squeeze it.
I got it.
Alright, now we need 3/4 of a cup of flour.
What's that? Whoa. Are we making strawberry making?
Now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, now we need 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Why?
Why?
Kosher salt.
Why kosher salt? Because kosher salt's better. It has less sodium and it tastes better. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom.
And avocado down.
Now we're going to move that to the side. We need another bowl. 1 cup of milk. Pour the milk in there. Can you do that? Or is that going to be a terrible idea? Oh my gosh, look at you. You can totally pour milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Smell that. Smell that. Doesn't vanilla smell good? Here, 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I bought it.
Okay, now I'm going to crack the eggs into here and you're going to put them in here. You're not allowed to touch the eggs. Understand? Say, okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, pour that egg in there. Great. Splash. There you go. Very gentle. Gentle, gentle. They're sleeping. They're sleeping. Shh. You're supposed to beat these until they're frothy. Can I do a little? Put your hands on your head. Good job. Stay that way. Great. Now we're going to slowly whisk in the flour. Slowly. Slowly. It says slowly. It says slowly. Oh, that's not slow. That's not slowly. My baby made my Dutch baby lumpy. I use the immersion blender. Okay, this has been roasting for about 10 minutes on top. This is really hot and beautiful. And while it's hot, I want to sprinkle it with powdered sugar. And it puffs up quite a bit when you first take it out of the oven, and then it collapses a little bit in the center. You can smell the lemon and a little bit of cardamom. And it is really nice. And this is a really special breakfast. And when strawberries are in season like they are now, this is definitely worth a try.